Ready to supercharge your Tableau dashboards with the power of GitHub. First, you'll need a Tableau dashboard project, typically saved as a TWBX or a TWB file. Ensure the chosen file is the final working version you want to upload before uploading. Log into your GitHub account. Next, navigate within your GitHub account. If you don't already have a repository for your Tableau projects, you'll need to create a new one. Go to New Repository on the main page and give it a descriptive name. Like Tableau Dhashboard, choose whether you want your repository to be public or private. Creating a public repository makes your files visible to anyone on GitHub. Now you have two options to upload your project. The simpler option is to click Upload Files within your new repository and drag and drop your TWBX or TWB file into the browser window. Alternatively, you can use the GitHub app on your computer. Once uploaded using either method, your Tableau project file will be in your GitHub repository. You can click on the file name to view its contents, download it, or see its version history if you choose to use version control, which is highly recommended. This is where the magic of version control comes in. With each upload, you can add descriptions about your dashboard changes. This will help you maintain an effective collaborative workflow when you work with other developers or you yourself come back to the project after some time. Finally, share your dashboard. You can easily share your GitHub repository link with others. This allows them to access, review, and collaborate on your Tableau project. It also provides a great way to showcase your Tableau skills to potential employers or data enthusiasts. Happy data visualizing.